Okay people, it's about to go down. The Kellogg's rocket is about to touch the skies. I've got a faster burning fuse on this one. Eaton mustard. Thank you for clicking and welcome to the Technical Madman, ladies and gentlemen. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make fuse wire for your homemade fireworks using hand sanitizer, and you'll want at least a content of 80% alcohol, otherwise your fuse wire, it won't burn very well. Also you'll need tissue paper. You know, the bargain basement stuff, people, the real thin stuff, it just burns easier. You want to take your tissue paper and tear it into strips and then twist it, and this will be the body of your fuse. Then you'll be needing some gunpowder. Now this is my homemade gunpowder. Now I can't tell you how I've made this because it will get me a strike on my newly created YouTube channel, and I wouldn't want that, would I, people? And what I would want is, if you could, please click that thumbs up and please subscribe and look out for my other videos. I do all different videos covering all different subjects, so please subscribe and please go back and watch some of my other videos if you can. However, this is my own batch of gunpowder, and I'm not going to talk about the fact that it's made from 3 elements: sulfur, charcoal and potassium nitrate. And I cannot tell you that the key to making good quality gunpowder is to mix it, and mix the correct ratios thoroughly. The more you mix this stuff, from personal experience, the better it ignites. Anyway, so get your mixing bowl, people, and you'll want about 4 tablespoons of your hand sanitizer to a teaspoon of gunpowder. Stick them all in your bowl. I've already got some here pre-mixed, and you want to mix it up for a good minute or so. Combine the elements as well as you can, and take your fuse, roll it up in a ball and dump it in, and mix it for at least a minute. Make sure every millimetre of that fuse is covered. It will help with the burning process when you ignite the fuse. Now, fuse in there and just give it a stir. And the longer you leave it, the better it will burn. And also, the more times you complete this process, i.e. you do it once, you put it on some baking foil and leave it to dry, because of the alcohol evaporates very, very fast, and ultimately it's dry in 40 minutes on a sunny day, and then you can do the process again. And the more times you do it, the quicker the fuse will burn. So what you do is you give your fuse a good stir, make sure it's all coated, every single millimetre, and then you place it on your sheet like so, and you leave it to dry. Now they say the proof's in the pudding, people, and as I've said, the more times you do that process, the better the fuse will burn. Now I know that in some parts of the world you can go out and buy your own fuse wire, but if you're making fireworks, or you're just a practicing pyro at home and you have no fuse lying around, it's a simple method. Pyros have always got gunpowder lying around anyway. However, this is the fuse here. And this is a slow burning fuse that I've made, but it will burn consistently and very well in any weather conditions. Now, why do I need homemade fuse wire, ladies and gentlemen? Well, for my homemade rocket, people. Now, I'm not going to upload a video of how you make the Kellogg's rocket, because it's a new channel and it could give me a community guideline strike. However, I feel like blowing stuff up, people, so let's go out with a bang. And, oh, by the way, if you haven't gave this a thumbs up, please do, and please click and subscribe, because I'm going to be uploading all sorts of videos, not just fireworks, pyrotechnics, reviews on things such as RC cars. I've got some updates coming for my little K989. Also budget, ladies and gentlemen, budget pyro stuff, like these cheap budget Chinese pyro sets. Fireworks, you know, the comparison between 1.4G and 1.3G rockets in the UK. These are 1.3G. And little bits and pieces like that. So please, if you could, click that subscribe, please drop a comment, and please give me a thumbs up. Now, I feel like blowing stuff up. Let's go. Okay people, it's about to go down. The Kellogg's rocket is about to touch the skies. I've got a faster burning fuse on this one. Eaton mustard. Shit. Get him, get him. Right, okay.